What up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I thought we should do a quick one. Charlie Puth, Light Switch. Very nice song. So the chord progression, we have D sharp minor, and then from this one we move to F sharp minor, and then we move to a C sharp, and then we have the last one, which is the G sharp minor. I know there's a lot of sharps and a lot of flat, a lot of minors in there. So it goes something like this. So basically, that's the whole song. It keeps going on just like that till the far end. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and I'm out.